So I thought I'd do a quick video tutorial on the first one on your homework to try and walk you through this process. So the first problem is 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Again, we're going to take the leading coefficient and multiply it times the constant. If we look at this in general terms, we're seeing this as ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is multiplied times c. So in this case, a times c is 4. And the factors of 4 are 2 and 2, but they're also 4 and 1. And so which of these two sets of factors, when added together, will make 5? Well, obviously it's 4 and 1. So we're going to rewrite the original trinomial, but as a polynomial, so that we can set it up for factoring by grouping. So here we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 1x plus 2. So we're just rewriting the original trinomial with the factors of a times c inside the center. Okay, so now I'm looking at this, and it looks like I'm ready to factor by grouping. I'm not going to rearrange them, I'm just going to factor it just like it is. So if I pull out, let's see if I do it like this. Consider this group here. If I pull out a 2x, that will leave me with an x plus 2. And over here, I already have an x plus 2. Right here. So what would I put in my first binomial? Well, I'd put the 2x, but I don't really have another coefficient to use over here. So of course I'm going to just naturally use plus 1. And then the other matching binomial will be just x plus 2. And again, I can check my answer by going back and multiplying the two binomials to see if I get the original trinomial. So 2x times x is 2x squared. That's the first terms. The outer terms leave me with plus 4x. The inner terms leave me with plus x. And the last terms leave me with plus 2, which then results with a 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, and that matches the original trinomial. So my answer is here.